Pinagay, welcome. The deep, gorgeous, cascading waterfalls and lush forests of the Bindarri National Park, traditional lands of the Gambanga people. We are heading up to Bangalore Falls picnic area. Take the left fork to Bangalore Falls, the right goes to Bangalore Falls. We'll go there in our next video. When you arrive at Bangalore Falls, there's an information map that you can read. It suggests various hikes that are on offer, including taking a 1300 metre walk, which is what we're about to do shortly. It also suggests longer walks of 8.5 kilometres and recommends that you also take a four-wheel drive trip to the spectacular Bangalore Falls. We're about to do that in the next video. You will notice beautiful tree ferns, hoop pines and cabbage tree palms, and see some magnificent old growth forests. If you enjoy bird watching, keep your eye out for shy lyrebirds. We saw a couple dashing across the road as we drove back. There's also brush turkeys, commonly known as scrub turkeys or bush turkeys. This is a species that is common. It's a mound building bird and found widespread across eastern Australia. Bindarri National Park was formerly Orara West State Forest until 1999. This area has a long history of logging. The vegetation around the picnic area, for example, is young and lacks diversity, providing evidence of recent logging. It will eventually become a more complex rainforest again over time. On this adventure, I carry with me two GoPro Hero 8s and a Sony a7 III. The Sony a7 III has a 35mm lens, making it wide enough to capture some of the landscape without being as wide as the GoPro. This offers a nice point of difference. Placing the Sony in slow motion so that it can film at 120 frames per second helps captures that dynamic flow of the water. I also have a neutral density filter on my lens to allow for lower aperture settings if needed. Filming in the middle of the day is always a challenge because it gives high contrast and strong light and harsh shadows to your subjects. A neutral density filter helps drop that contrast a little. In the description below, I have a recommended kit that you can click on and have a look at, and also other recommendations in terms of photographic equipment, useful information about parks, links to radars for weather, and links to check fires and flood information. There's also a detailed map. We will see a more remote waterfall with a beautiful clear swimming hole, perfect for summer dips. I hope you can tune in.